students, welcome to my channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today we are discussing about the chapter construction. I will guide the construction, how to construct a triangle ABC using compass and scale. I am not using compass and scale. I am explaining you must draw with your notebook. You do yourselves. It is the most important question. You will get 3 marks from this question. Don't miss this question. Okay, let us see. Here given one question. Construct triangle ABC where base BC is 6.5 cm, AB plus AC equal to 10 cm and angle B is 60 degree. We have to use compass and scale and we want to construct a triangle ABC. It is very easy, so many times explained. So here first of all we have to draw this BC. What is here given? The base that we want to do it. Okay. So the base is BC is 6.5. So first of all we have to take your scale and draw BC. So this is BC 6.5. You have to measure with your scale. Okay. After that, here AB plus AC is equal to 10 cm is given and also angle B. Next step we want to construct that angle. How can we construct that angle 60 degree? With your compass, take any measurement. This is 60 degree now. With any measurement and point at here. This is a compass and you have to take any measurement and point at B and draw a half circle. That means this line. Draw a half circle. Okay. With the same measurement, what is the measure here? This measure. The same measure and pointed here that compass and cut that. Okay, you have to take any measure and point at B and draw a half circle. Okay, after that same measurement point at this point and the same measurement cut the half circle. Okay, then this point you have to draw a line through this point. You have to draw a line through this point. You have to draw length as much as possible. You have to draw a lengthy line as much as possible. Okay, because here next step is AB plus AC equal to 10 cm. So first one more time I will explain. First you have to draw the base. What is the given measurement? 6.5. You have to draw the base BC 6.5. And if you want to make an angle, whatever it is given that angle. Here given only 60 means you have to take any measurement and point at B and draw a half circle. With the same measurement pointed here and cut that semicircle. Then this point draw a line from B. That line is maybe X. Okay. Then after that, what is here the AB plus AC, that is 10 now. So you have to with your compass or a scale. If it is possible in your compass means you have to measure in 10 cm or otherwise point at here scale and measure 10 cm and cut this. This is a 10 cm whatever it may be. So then from this point to join this C. If cut at that point AB plus AC is 10 means again you have to draw that join to C. This is Y, whatever it may be, any point. Okay. Next step, we want to draw a perpendicular bisector of C and Y. How to draw a perpendicular bisector? Pointing here more than half and pointing here more than half and draw one arc and draw another arc. Similarly, pointing here the same measurement and cut these arcs. Then join these two. Draw a line through these 2 points. Draw a line through these 2 points. Okay. So after that this line is cutted with this line where the point is cutted. That BX line. This point now. So this point is called A. This point is called A. Then join with the A to C. Join with A to C. This is the triangle ABC. This is the required triangle ABC. After that you have to measure the length of AB and the length of AC. You will get correct 10 cm. Check it. Okay. I will explain once more. So here given construct triangle ABC where base BC is 6.5. Whatever they given the base, first of all you have to draw the base. So BC here 4 or 5, whatever it may be, you should draw this. After that, what is the angle there? Which angle is given here? Here it is given 60 degree. So is it is 60 degree means nothing is there. You have to take any measure and point at B and draw a half circle. With the same measurement, point at this point and cut that half circle. So if you got this point, draw a line through this point, that is X, as much as longer. Okay, you have to draw a lengthy line. Okay, then after that, what is here the addition of the two sides, that is 10 centimeter. You should take your compass or a scale. If it is possible in compass means you have to measure in compass 10 centimeter and point at B. Point at B and cut this BX line. That point is Y, 10 centimeter. Then that point Y, from Y to C, join YC. The last step is draw a perpendicular bisector of this line YC. Perpendicular bisector of YC. How can we draw perpendicular bisector? Pointing C and more than half and one arc here, right and left. Similarly, pointing Y, cut that same arc. So these 2 points. Then you have to join these 2 points and extend. It will touch the line BX. It will touch the line BX. That point is the A. That is the third vertex of the triangle. Then join A to C. This is the required triangle. You have to check it. AB equal to what is the length and AC equal to what is the length. Add it. It will get 10 centimeter. That is the correct step. Okay. If you got this correct answer, 10 means it is correct. So this is a very important question. You should thoroughly practice this. Okay. So I hope you all understood this about triangle ABC. How to construct triangle ABC. Okay. Next I will tell you about how to construct 75 and 90. Okay. Let us revise. Here given construct 75. Nothing is there. You can draw a line AB. Okay. Construct 75 degree. So draw a line AB. Then you have to take your compass and take some radius. Any radius, point at A and draw a half circle. The same measurement, point at here and cut this. So this is, you have to join with a dotted line. This is 60, isn't it? Again, same radius, point at here, the compass and cut it. So this is 120. This is 60, this is 120. Okay. Between 60 and 120, how many is there? 30 divisions is there. Okay. So, between, if you bisect from the two, between 60 and 30, you will get 30 degree. So, we have to bisect means point at here and cut one arc, point at here and cut one arc. So, this much as 30. Again, this is 60, this much as 30. Again, you have to bisect from the two. That means this 60 and this is 90. Again, point at here and cut it. Again, point at here, cut it. So, this is 50. Half of 30 is 50 degree, no? So, this is 50 degree. So, total, this is 60, this is 50. So, this is 75 degree. Okay? So, it is very easy. First of all, you have to draw 60 degree. After that is same measurement and point at 60 and one more arc. Again, perpendicular bisector between the two. That will get 90. Okay, so this is 90 degree because this is 90. After 90, you have to take from 60 and 90. Again, perpendicular bisector. Then it will get 50 degree. So, the angle is 75 degree. This is like we have to do any angles. 105, 130, whatever it may be, you have to draw it. Okay. So, I hope you all understood this all about construction. You should thoroughly practice it. Okay. What is meant by a perpendicular bisector? It will divide equal. That is a perpendicular bisector. If any angle is given, this is 60 degree. You should make 60 degree. You should draw the perpendicular bisector means you want to draw angle 30 degree. That is a half. That means pointed here and cut. Pointed here and cut. This is the 30 degree. Is it clear? That is the perpendicular bisector. perpendicular bisector divides the angle in equal. Okay. So I hope you all understood this. If you like this video, means like, share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon on the right side. Then only you will get more updates from my channel. Okay. Next class.